Hello and welcome to Einfach Englisch. This video is about the present perfect. We found out how to build the present perfect and when to use it. Now, in terms of building the present perfect, let's have a look at normal statements, negations and questions. Generally speaking, the present perfect is easy to build. What you need is the verb have or has if you use he, she or it. Additionally, you need a verb to which you add an ed, just like you do for the simple past. If your verb is irregular, you need the past participle, so the third form. For the verb give, for example, the past participle would be given. A normal sentence would, for example, look like this: I have visited my friends. A sentence with an irregular verb would be I have eaten a pizza. Negations are pretty much the same. All you have to do is use haven't instead of have and hasn't instead of has. So our example sentences are I haven't visited my friends and he hasn't eaten a pizza. So far so good. Let's take a look at questions. For questions, you swap the person and the have or has. Like this, the example sentences as questions would look like this: Have I visited my friends? And has he eaten a pizza? If you need a question word, for example when or where, you put it at the very beginning of the sentence. Where has he eaten a pizza? Now it's time to find out when to use the present perfect. You use the present perfect to talk about something that has happened in the past, but the result is still relevant for the present. It doesn't matter when it has happened, just that it's still relevant now. For example, I have cleaned the kitchen. We don't find out at what time I have cleaned the kitchen, but what's important is that the kitchen is clean now. The second option is that you talk about actions in the past that have just stopped. The sentence "he has just seen the movie," for example, expresses that the movie is over, but just for a very short time. The third and last option is to talk about something that has begun in the past, but that is still valid now. We have played football since 2005, for example, expresses that we have started in 2005, but we still play football nowadays. Basically, that's it about the present perfect. If the video helped you, maybe consider giving it a like. See you next time.